Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Is DJI preparing to redefine the FPV drone experience? The DJI Avata 3 is causing quite a stir, even though it hasn't been officially announced yet. Leaks, rumors, and expert opinions are quickly piling up, all hinting at a major upgrade that could change the landscape of FPV flying. Let's rewind a bit and look at what's happened so far with DJI's FPV lineup. Back in 2022, DJI launched the original Avata, bringing FPV drone flying to a wider audience. It was a breakthrough for those who didn't want to dive into building drones from scratch or tweaking complicated settings. The Avata provided an exciting roller coaster-like experience, but with the added bonus of high-quality camera footage. It was a game-changer in terms of accessibility, giving both hobbyists and professionals a new way to explore FPV flying without all the hassle of soldering or frame building. Then came the Avata 2 in 2024, a big step forward with improved features. The upgraded battery provided longer flight times, the image quality was sharper, and the goggles offered an enhanced visual experience. However, there were still some issues. For instance, it lacked front obstacle sensors, which made flying indoors in tight spaces a bit risky. Also, while the 12-minute manual flight time wasn't bad, it still left users wanting more, especially in freestyle mode. Now, the exciting part? We're hearing buzz about the potential release of the DJI Avata 3 sometime between late 2025 or early 2026. Of course, there may be delays due to government certifications and tariff-related issues, which is often the case with new tech releases. But when it does drop, it's expected to make some major waves in the FPV community. One of the most anticipated upgrades for the Avata 3 is a 1-inch CMOS sensor. This could be a massive leap forward in drone camera technology. Expect to see improved low-light performance, better dynamic range, and overall smoother, more cinematic footage. Think about flying through a parking garage, capturing stunning footage without your video feed turning into a glitchy mess. This kind of improvement would truly bring FPV drones to the next level, making them more reliable for professional videographers and cinematographers. In addition to the camera improvements, rumors suggest that the transmission system will also get a significant boost. This means longer range and lower latency, making it easier to fly in complex environments without risking signal loss or lag. Imagine flying at long distances, even in challenging environments, without experiencing dropped frames or interruptions. Battery life is another area where improvements are expected. The Avata 2 promised 23 minutes of flight time, but in reality, users found themselves with closer to 12 minutes when flying manually. If the Avata 3 can push past 15 minutes in freestyle mode and reach nearly 30 minutes in normal flight, it would make a huge difference for enthusiasts and professionals alike, allowing for longer sessions without constantly having to recharge or swap out batteries. Obstacle avoidance is another critical area where the Avata 3 could improve. While the Avata 2 had rear and downward sensors, it lacked front obstacle detection, which made it challenging to fly indoors or in tight spaces. The Avata 3 is expected to feature full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, giving you peace of mind when flying in tight spots. This would be a huge leap forward in terms of safety and ease of use, especially for beginners who may not be as comfortable with manual flying. Additionally, there are high hopes for new accessories, such as goggles with augmented reality, AR, overlays for an even more immersive flying experience. A new motion controller could provide more intuitive control, and we might even see snap-on ND filters or built-in lights for nighttime flights, expanding the versatility of the Avata 3 for all kinds of shooting scenarios. And here's a big request. To DJI, please make the Avata 3 easier to repair. One of the major drawbacks of the previous models was the complexity and cost of repairs. If you cracked a prop guard, it could set you back over $200, and nobody wants that. By making repairs more affordable and straightforward, DJI could win over many users who have been hesitant to commit to these drones due to the high repair costs. If DJI gets the sensor, battery life, obstacle avoidance, and new smart features, right? The Avata 3 could become the ultimate hybrid drone for both beginners and experienced pilots. Fast, smooth, and user-friendly, the Avata 3 could change the game, making cinematic FPV flying accessible to a much wider audience. So, what features are you most excited about for the Avata 3? What do you want to see in this new drone? Drop your wish list in the comments below. If you're into the latest drone rumors, leaks, and first look breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Catch you in the next one.